अरे बच्चों, it is a mensuration problem. Here square is inscribed in a circle. So here diagonal of the square is equal to diameter of the circle. Clear? And circle is outside. So area of circle is more than area of square. Now how to do this thing? Area of shaded part is given. तो आप लिख सकते हैं area of the shaded part, area of shaded part equal to area of circle minus area of square. Clear? Now here area of shaded part is 224 centimeter square. Clear? And area of circle equal to pi r square, and r is d by 2, diameter by 2. So r square equal to d square by 4. And in the same time area of square equal to diagonal square by 2. Just you write like this: pi d square by 4 minus d square by 2. See, d is diameter and d is diagonal. Clear? Now you write like this: 224 centimeter square equal to pi d square. This is 4 and this is always 2d square. Clear? Now you take therefore pi common, therefore 224 centimeter square into 4 इक्वल टू d स्क्वायर कॉमन हो गया, d स्क्वायर कॉमन होने से पाई का वैल्यू हो गया 22/7 minus 2. Clear? Therefore this 4 is here, and now you see d square 224 into 4 into 7 divided by 22 minus 14 is equal to 8. Remember, this will be 8 equal to d square, and here should be centimeter square. Now therefore d equal to, see here nowhere here 4, so you can cut it like this: 4 and this is 2 and this 2 is 11, 2 112 d square equal to 112 into 7. Therefore d equal to this 112 by 7 matlab 16 and 7, that is d equal to 28. See, 16 का स्क्वायर रूट होता 4 और 16 into 7 इक्वल टू, अब यहाँ लिख देते हैं हम 16 into 7 into 7. Clear? 28 centimeter. Therefore radius, first answer radius equal to 14 centimeter. Clear? And area, therefore area of square equal to 28 into 28 by 2 equal to 392 square centimeter. This is the answer. प्यारे बच्चों, दो आंसर आपको मिल गया. रेडियस इक्वल टू 14 सेंटीमीटर and area of square is 392 square centimeter. Remember, again I am telling you, d equal to, d मतलब है 2r, therefore r equal to d by 2. So pi r square equal to d by 2 square means pi d square by 4. प्यारे बच्चों, if you like